At about 6:30 a.m. of the 26th of April 2022, one cement-laden truck bearing registration number AS01NC7841 had suddenly caught fire near 11th mile on National Highway 37. Sources say that the cause of the fire may be due to short circuit. During the incident, the driver of the truck managed to escape unhurt, and immediately the same was reported to the JORABAR police, who along with fire tenders immediately rushed to the spot to douse the flames. It may be mentioned that the cement-laden truck was on its way from JAGI Road to CHANGSARI in Assam.
এই মাত্র আইবে ভাই